y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel, and this is Fashom number, I don't even know, maybe 4, 5. So Fashom has like slowly been growing on me, and this box, I've already tried everything on, and I'm telling you, this might be my favorite box by far. So I don't want to keep you waiting. I see a lot of comments as I talk. I'll get this stuff out. I see comments from y'all that say, hey, we like that your intros are short, to the point, so that's what we're going to keep doing because that's what you like. First top I want to talk about is this Lucky brand size 2X. Look at the colors. It's a navy and gold with like reds and gray, like flowers and birds, and it's beautiful. It's like, when I pulled this out, this was like my favorite thing initially that I really loved. And I still love it. It's like quarter length sleeves. It fits perfect. It's a tad bit too short for my liking, but I can get over that. As long as it doesn't shrink anyways, I can get over that. But I really like this one, and I like that I got something that was Lucky brand. This one is 48 bucks, and I really like it. Next one we have is from Lucky brand as well, size 2X. It's this beautiful like cranberry color with a little bit of like embroidered detail, long sleeves. I absolutely love this like button detail on the sleeve. This one I really like too. It fit well. It was a good length. I don't have anything bad to say about it. If I had to pick one or the other, I would go with this blue one just because I like the colors and the pattern on it. But that doesn't mean that I don't like this one as well, you know? And this one will run you $46. Before I get too far into the video, I want to clarify something, correct myself. In my last fashion video, I said that the company was no longer doing free styles, like you get your box for free. That is not true. The first 2 are free, and then after that, you pay $15. I thought it was the first 3 were free, and then you pay $15, and then I thought that you paid $15 no matter what. I don't know what I thought. But I'm clarifying it right now that your first 2 boxes are free, and then after that it will cost you $15 for a stylist to curate this box. My stylist is Susie Q. I think that's how you say her name. She's been my stylist this whole time, and she's done a great job. Now let's move on to this one because it is beautiful. This is the brand Cyrus. It's in a size 2X. And it's gray. It may look a little white, but it's actually gray. Like quarter length bell sleeve with like lace detail, $40. This is beautiful. This is like, I don't know, it's like the perfect fit. It's long in the back. It's so pretty. And it's so soft on top of that too. It's just like such a great top, and it just fits well. Like, as you can tell so far, I'm just like really happy with this box. This is beautiful. Is that a stain? Nope, sure isn't. It's a shadow. Okay. But yeah, I really like this one too. I mean, this one, I have a lot of favorites. So I can't even say this one's my favorite. I have a lot of favorites. Now let's move on to this black top. This is from the brand Forgotten Grace. It's in a size 2X. It's like a little, if you can tell, a little knotted under the like cleavage area. It's shorter sleeves with like a bell feature. It's meant to be snug, I know that, but it just doesn't really do anything for me. This was probably the only thing in the box that I didn't really care for. This is 40 bucks. It's okay. It's okay, it's just not my favorite. Y'all know that I've been looking for a cardigan, not looking for, that I always gravitate towards cardigans right now. This is an oatmeal colored Verve Ami in a size 2X. Speechless. This, it's not as long as the other ones that I've typically liked, but it's beautiful. It's like this great oatmeal color. It's got like different textures. It's a little bit longer in the front with these like 2 little weird things, like not weird in a bad way. It's just, I was so excited when I put this on because it fits perfectly. It's like that oversized fit that I want, and the color that I want, and the feel that I want. It's so soft. Did I say that this was $40? Yeah, this one's $40. And the last thing in my box are these army green pants. I initially thought I was getting a Cabernet color, but they said that they sent this other color instead, and I'm actually really happy that they did. This is the brand Zach and Rachel in a size 18. They're like, they don't button or zip. They're like pull-on stretch pants. Look at that, like, I don't even know if you can tell, that detail right down the front. These are the perfect work pants. I'm telling you, I wear these kind of pants every single day to work and they hold up. They're just great. They're the perfect length, in my opinion, to wear with some flats. Like, could you imagine this color with like an oatmeal or cream colored top and like some little leopard flats? How freaking cute. These fit amazing. They have real back pockets. They don't, nope, these are fake. These are fake back pockets. They don't have front pockets. Y'all know that pockets are a big deal, but I can overlook that if I love the pants, and I love these. So now let's talk about pricing. Everything in my box costs $257. Well, with Fashom, if you keep 3 or more items, you get 25% off. So that takes off $64.25, bringing my total to $192.75 for everything in the box, which I think is a great deal. However, the things that I could send back, I could send back the black top. I didn't really care for that, and that was 40 bucks. I would also probably send back the like red colored Lucky Brand long sleeve top. That was $46. I love the cardigan 100%. I love that Cyrus gray top. I love the pants. So if I kept those 3, the Lucky Brand top, that navy one, is really pretty too. I'm just talking this through with y'all. Is really pretty too, but I don't have to have it at this moment in my life. So let's see, if I kept those 3 times the 25%, that would be $92.25. Okay, so almost $100 less, and I could keep those 3 pieces that I really, really like. And while we're talking about pricing, so one of y'all, a subscriber, sent an email to me after my last Fashom box and said, hey, just so you know, like everything that was in your box, you can get on Nordstrom Rack. So I was like, well, that's very interesting. So what I did this time was I requested another box from Fashom. It arrived. We've tried everything on. You've seen that. So I just went to Nordstrom Rack's website and I couldn't find any of these pieces on Nordstrom Rack's website. So I don't know if maybe they get pieces from different places, and last month they just so happened to get the majority of them from Nordstrom Rack. I'm not sure, but the prices seem great. I just did a Trunk Club unboxing, and I know Trunk Club is a Nordstrom box, and those are double if not triple the price of the Fashom boxes. So maybe they just get their stuff Fashom does from different places at different times. Maybe that's what I'm guessing, because like I said, I couldn't find anything that was in this box on Nordstrom Rack's website. Now you may be able to find it in store, I guess, but I couldn't find it on the website. Alright, so that is a wrap on this video. I'll post a link to sign up for Fashom down below. Click on it. It's free. Your first 2 boxes are free. Let me reiterate that. I apologize. I couldn't believe that I said that once like several people started commenting and saying, even Fashom commented to a couple people in that video like, hey, actually it's the first 2 boxes are free and then it's 15 bucks. So sorry about that. Just want to clarify, you can get your box, your first one and your second one for free, then it's $15. Now that I've said that 30 times in this entire video, there you go. Alright, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!